for you. I hope they treat you well. When I lived in Cleveland, I took a job bussing tables at a diner for 2 weeks so I could make a car payment, and then I quit.
Sometimes that's all you gotta do.
That's all I gotta do. So welcome to the show. I've done this exact job. We got something great for you in the safe. Something so valuable that only Rachel can open the safe. Go ahead, Rachel.
Well, tucked inside the safe is what else? $15,000 in
Slow down, you fruitcake.
Oh my god.
And how's this? Also in the safe, it's a new safe. Lock all that cash you're gonna do.
Yeah.
Away in this 3.0 cubic foot battery operated safe that has 5 live locking bolts, 3 deadbolts, a multi-position shelf, and a locking drawer. Back to you, Benjamin and Drew.
Thank you, Alexis.
Excuse me.
Thank you, Rachel. Lock that up. There you go. A safe and a safe. You'd be living like Scrooge McDuck. You just open up the safe, have all your gold in it. Here, stand right over here. I'll show you how this works. So all you have to do is give us the price of the safe.
Okay.
Right? That's all you have to do. There's 3 numbers. We have a 0, a 5, and an 8. Dial the 3 numbers in. None of the numbers.
It's either 580,
Get the right number. The safe
580, 850, 508. Don't look at the crowd, dumbass. Don't look at the crowd.
8s. 5.
That leaves a 0, dumbass.
0. Give that wheel a spin. Just a little bit. Open that up. Yes!
You did it, you fucking moron. Jesus Christ.